friends! Welcome to BuddyLand ABC. Today we will learn ABC with colors and shapes. A for red circle, round and red and fun to see. A for red circle, sing with me. B for blue square, four straight sides, blue and bright. B for blue square, clap with delight. C for yellow triangle, three fun sides, yellow bright. C for triangle, what a sight. D for green diamond, shiny shape that turns around. D for green diamond, spin, spin sound. E for orange oval, long and round and fun to F for purple star, shiny sparkly way up high. F for star, let's touch the sky. G for pink heart, love and fun for me and you. G for heart, pink and cute. H for hexagon, six cool sides spin around. H for hexagon shape we found. I
for ice shape,
cold and shiny, fun to see. I for ice, sing with me. J for jelly, wiggle, wobble, laugh and play. J for jelly, yay, yay, yay. K for kite shape, up in the sky, let's fly away. K for kite shape, yay, yay, yay. L for line pentagon, five fun sides spin around. L for pentagon shape we found. M for maroon moon, round and shiny, float so high. M for moon. N for net shape, stretch and bounce and sing with me. N for net shape, 1, 2, 3. O for octagon, 8 cool sides, shine so. P for parallelogram, slanty sides, move and play. P for parallelogram, hooray! Q for quarter circle, spin and turn and laugh today. Q for quarter circle, yay! R for rectangle, long and strong and fun to see. R for rectangle, sing with me. S for starburst, shiny sparkles spin around. S for starburst, magic found. T for trapezium, tilt and bounce and sing today. T for trapezium, yay, yay, yay. U for U shape, curve it round and sing with me. U for U shape, happy we. V for V shape, pointy fun for you and me. V for V shape, 1, 2, 3. W for white wave, flow and move and sing today. W for white wave. X for X shape, cross it over, spin with me. X for X shape, happy we. Y for Y shape, split and smile and sing today. Y for Y shape, hooray, hooray. Z for zigzag, wiggle, wobble, sing and play. Z for zigzag, yay, yay, yay. Great job, little friends! You learned ABC with colors and shapes. See you again. Bye-bye.